Hi friends, I'm going to read you a story about a tiger, okay? This book we're going to do lots of counting. 4 feet, 2 eyes, and 1 furry tail. Let's count with Tiger on the jungle trail. Look, says Tiger, 1 stripy lizard lying in the sun. Are there any more? There are. How many? 1, 2. Look, says Tiger, 2 spotty frogs hopping up and down. Are there any more? There are. 1, 2, 3. Look, says Tiger, 3 bright butterflies flying in the trees. Are there any more? There are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, says Tiger, 4 furry spiders crawling on the leaves. Are there any more? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, says Tiger, 5 shiny beetles playing in the grass. Can you find just 1 more? There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, the end. I hope you guys liked our tiger book, and I'll see you soon. Bye.